AutoStore has long been at the forefront of warehouse automation. The customer journey begins with our design and simulation software tools, enabling 3D modeling of the planned warehouse and accurate performance predictions. AutoStore delivers flexibility and scalability, ultra-high density and throughput. The system adjusts to both peak season demand requirements and daily operations with ease. AutoStore's modular design offers clear advantages, but the advanced Cube software is the key driver of performance. The software collects critical data and analysis, which enables efficiency gains, optimization, and accuracy. Driven by our customer-led innovation, we continuously advance our entire product portfolio to meet evolving needs, new trends, and applications. As businesses grow, AutoStore grows with them. We continue to spearhead the industry, enabling our customers with a true competitive advantage that fuels their success.